Good evening, guys. In my last video, I had showed you how to go to ZepPay, purchase Tron, Ether, and transfer it to your wallet. So, when you open your Token Pocket wallet and you click on ETH, this is what it will be show you. Now, people who cannot buy Tron in ZepPay will have to buy Ether in ZepPay, transfer to the wallet, and then convert it into Tron. So now I will show you two ways how to convert it. You can see on top, right on the top, it says ETH So you have to just click on that, and below this you see first is a Bitcoin, then this is the Ethereum, this is another EOS and Tron. You select Tron, and you will come to the Tron. In case there is nothing, if it is not there, see if I just select BTH, it'll just shows BTC. So we need to convert TRX Ether into Tron. So we'll select the Tron. I created an additional wallet, otherwise it was just like that. So I click on the Tron 1 on the right hand corner, just below the plus button. So this is where I want to convert my Ether from the same wallet and transfer it to the Tron wallet in the same wallet. So what I'll go and do, I will click on, if you see below the 51.78, there is transfer, there is receive and swap. So I'll click on receive. I will copy the address, not on the scan, copy the address. It says copied. I go back, then I go on top, right on the top where it says Tron 1 HD. I'll click on the arrow, and I will go and click on the Ether, which is the second, and click again on the right hand side. So now I will transfer this ETH, swap this ETH into Tron. So if you see again on top in the blue shaded section, there is transfer, receive and swap. Just click on the swap. So it says on top ETH to USDT. So we want to convert our ETH into Tron. So I'll click on the pull down arrow at USDT, and I will select TRX, which is right at the bottom. So it shows me the balance. What do I have? 0.02304. So I will say pay 0.2, and then I will 0.02 basically 02, and in receive address I will copy the address which I had copied, and then I will say I'll click instant swap. So instantly it will convert the Ethereum into Tron, and it will go into your Tron address. But now I don't have enough because I need to transfer a minimum of 0.04. So if I click on instant swap, it will give me an error message. It says maximum 60 or minimum 0.4. But basically it's as simple as that. You just click instant swap, then you go back to your ETH, if you check your ETH, this will become minus 0. It will become 0.02304 minus 0.02, and then you click on your Tron. Whatever the Tron amount will be added to this. So this is how you convert your ETH into Tron. There is another way. Now I want, but that is a bit slow. Although it's a bit cheaper, but it's a bit slow because the network fee in this swap is a little bit higher. So if I go now, I want to I click on the ETH. I click here. Now I want to convert this ETH from here, and transfer it to my Tron wallet here. So what I do, same way, I will click on receive, copy address, then I go to my web browser, I'll say new tab. There is an application called Simple Swap. Simple Swap. I open Simple Swap. Okay, now they are saying you send. Now I want to send say 0.01 Ethereum. I click down. This is showing Bitcoin here. I will click down on the pull down menu. I want to convert Ethereum into TRX. So I'll click on Ethereum. And here what I want to convert it into, on the second line it says Bitcoin, so I'll click here and I'll put Tron here. So I'll select TRX Tron. So it will send me, okay, 0.01 will get me 99.701 this thing. Now I'd copied this address, right? I'd copied the address of the Tron where I want to transfer it. So same address, I will come back here and I'll paste it. And I will click on exchange. But this takes a little bit of time. Okay. Right on top, and down below it says you will get 98.64 TRX. Now you see this barcode, below the barcode it says send your ETH to the address below. So what you need to do is here you have to copy this, okay, copy it, go back to your wallet, go right on top, because in this wallet you have Tron as well as ETH. So I'll select the Tron one, I'll click on right on top and I'll click on the ETH second one, click on the right side and I will say transfer. Then again I will click transfer, and in the receiver I'll have to paste this address which is below the barcode which we have copied. So I will come here and paste it. And what is the amount that we need to transfer? We are transferring 0.01 ETH. So I will come here and I'll put 0.01 ETH. My wallet balance is so much. So here it will say I've got three choices. One is slow, one is recommended, and one is fast. If you are not in a hurry, we should always go for the slow one, because why do we want to pay high gas fees, network fees? But since I want, because here out, if I choose the slow option, it'll take just 0.49. It's a percentage basically, and if I will take the fast one. Okay, I will click on the fast one and I will say confirm. So here it says transaction details 0.0 ETH, the gas fees, which is the network fee, is $0.66. I will say confirm payment and I will put my address and put my password. Confirm. It says being transferred. So then it says submission of the transfer being submitted. Submission of transfer being initiated. Now this would probably take see, it's gone immediately. You can see the ETH has already been taken away from my wallet. Now if I go here, if I go to the web page on the Simple Swap, it says on right on top below the simple swap, it says waiting above, just above the Sendo ETH. So I just refresh it. Just keep on refreshing it. It might take a minute or two. Still says waiting.
See, this is the room. This is the room. Now,
It's still taking it's taking a couple of minutes. I'll just put it on hold. If I check here, I can just click on this and view the transactions. It says 0.01 ETH cent. So, but it's still not. Still not coming. I'm just still refreshing it. It takes around 4 or 5 minutes, I suppose. Okay, now it says your exchange is in progress, and it says exchanging. Although this is cheaper, I feel is better to do the swap within the wallet itself, but this is just another option. I'll just put you on hold. Now it says it's sending. It's saying sending now. Okay, now it says your exchange was completed. You sent 0.01 ETH, which is approximately 100 TRX. So now we go back and we check our TRX. So I go click on TRX here down below. I click on the right side of the Tron 1. And I refresh it. There it's come, the $100. So guys, this is the two ways. One is you can do it within your wallet, and if you have some free time where you are not in a hurry, you can always do the simple swap. Cheers guys.